There's only really 4 things that we charge extra for. None of them really affect the overall cleaning experience. This customer is getting Deodorizer and Scotchgard. This customer does have something called Filtration Lines, and that is the edges right here that get dirty, and we can explain that to you over the phone. And the last thing would be extreme pet stain removal. That's basically it. So if your carpet is standard, there's no real special cleaning, you wish not to get Deodorizer and Scotchgard, and I do want to be very clear, we do not pressure you into buying those things. Your cleaning price will be just a flat fee per area.